In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extract pages on Adobe Acrobat. By the end, you'll know exactly how to pull out just the pages you need from a PDF and save them as their own document without disturbing your original file. Start by opening Adobe Acrobat on your computer. This guide is for the desktop app, and depending on your plan, some features may require a subscription. Once the app loads, you'll land on the home view. From here, go to the Tools area. This is where Acrobat groups all the PDF features so you don't have to dig through menus. If you see a search box in Tools, you can type a keyword to find what you need faster. Look for the option labeled Extract to PDF and select it. In some versions, this opens the Organize Pages workspace with the Extract feature ready to go. Don't worry if the wording varies slightly. You're in the right place, as long as you can see page thumbnails and an extract control. Next, choose the PDF file you want to work with and click Continue. You'll see a grid of page thumbnails for that document. This view makes it easy to identify the exact pages you want to pull out. Select the page you want to extract. If you're taking multiple pages, hold Shift to select a continuous range, or use Control or Command to pick non-adjacent pages. Take a moment to confirm you've highlighted everything you need before moving on. Now, click the Extract button, typically located in the upper right or right side panel. Before you confirm, look for options such as deleting pages after extracting or extracting pages as separate files. If you want to keep your original PDF intact, leave the Delete option off. If you're pulling several pages and want one combined result, keep the Separate Files option off. If you need each page as its own file, turn it on. Then proceed with Extract, and Acrobat will generate your new document. Once the extraction completes, you can fine-tune the result from the left menu where the page thumbnails appear. This is a convenient place to quickly review your pages. When you're satisfied, save your work. Use Save As to create a copy so your original file remains unchanged. Choose a clear name and destination folder and confirm the save. It's a good practice to open the newly saved file and scroll through it to verify that every page you needed is there. That's it. You've extracted pages in Adobe Acrobat, reviewed them, and saved a clean copy, ready to share, print, or archive.